Earth is the place we call home. It's where we work, eat, sleep, and go about our daily lives. But how well do we really know it? We like to think of Earth as the blue marble, a stable, temperate world hospitable to life, but that's really just a snapshot of a dynamic and evolving planet. If we zoom out on the cosmic timeline, we discover that our home would have been unrecognizable to us at most other times in its history. So, let's see if we can reconstruct what Earth might have looked like in the distant past. Let's imagine that alien scientists who have never seen Earth as it is today visit it at various stages in its development. Depending on when these visitors arrived, they would have formed completely different ideas about the kind of planet Earth was. What would they have seen 4.5 billion years ago, 2 billion years ago, or half a billion years ago? I'm Alex Molin, and you are listening to the Astron Podcast. Join me today as we recreate Earth's ancient past and imagine what the planet might have looked like at various points in time. But before we dive into any of that, here's something that not only helps me sleep but also helps support the channel. Mantis sleep masks are designed to create a blackout effect, making sure you receive the best sleep possible. They come in a range of different variants, from their original sleep mask to their Pro for comfort and breathability. However, if you love listening to these podcasts, there's also a sound version, which will help you fall straight to sleep. Use my link in the description and the code ASTRON at checkout to receive 10% off your next order. Now, before we start, a little disclaimer. To answer these questions, we'll need to draw on some models that not all scientists agree on. Traveling into the extremely distant past always carries some error bars. Some of the science we're pretty sure about, other things are still being debated. So, as we indulge our imagination, let's keep in mind that some of these claims are still being developed and rigorously questioned, as they should be. But to the best of our current knowledge, this is what our planet could have been like.